Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to disable voice typing in Google Docs using xFanatical Safe Dock. While voice typing can be a helpful tool for many users, it can also lead to inaccurate or unintended content, especially in educational settings where students may misuse the feature to bypass their writing assignments or disrupt the flow of the lesson. By disabling voice typing, administrators can ensure that students engage more deeply with their writing and typing skills rather than relying on speech recognition technology. That's where xFanatical's Safe Dock comes for the rescue. Safe Dock can help administrators turn off the voice typing feature in Google Docs and Slides, allowing for a more focused and controlled learning experience. Disabling this tool helps promote better writing practices and reduces distractions, ensuring that students complete their assignments without relying on voice-based shortcuts. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Dock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Doc Voice Typing policy and setting the value to True, you can disable voice typing in Google Docs easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.